Welcome to another tutorial on authentication. Today we'll see how to configure TACACS Plus profile on PaloAlto Firewall, and we'll see how you can use the TACACS Plus user base to authenticate yourself on the PaloAlto Firewall. For an example, so on the admin GUI, click on Device, and then click on Server Profile. Expand that, you will see TACACS Plus. So first of all, we'll create the profile. Name the profile as TACACS Plus. And then you can restrict the use of this profile for administrator only. The default authentication is CHAP. I'm not going to change it. And this is the actual server information. Click on add. You can name the server. For example, in my case, this is the Linux server, which is running the TACACS Plus service. So this is the service that is running on this particular Linux server. So I'm going to copy this hostname for my reference. And I'm going to use the same name here so that it'll be easy for me to troubleshoot any issue in future. So this is the actual server hostname or the IP address. I'm going to put the IP address of my TACACS Plus server, which is so this is the IP address of my TACACS Plus server. And this particular secret, you will have to get it from the TACACS Plus server. For example, let me show you. So this is the TACACS Plus server. So if you see, this is the configuration file where you will have to create the user. For example, I have created 3 users, test2, test3, test1. And then I have permitted the IP as well, as you can see here, 192.168.0.0, which is the subnet for the PaloAlto management interface, because the management interface will initiate the traffic for the TACACS Plus server. So this is the key that I'm talking about. So in my case, the key is my key. So I'm going to feed in this detail. So my key is feeded in. This is the default port 49. Click OK. So now we have the profile. Next thing is to create the authentication profile so that we can use this profile for the firewall authentication. Click on add, name it as TACACS Plus profile, and then click on this, click type as TACACS Plus server profile. Well, this is the TACACS Plus profile that we have created recently. Click on this, retrieve user group from TACACS Plus, or you can leave it the way it is based on the configuration on your TACACS Plus server. If you have any user domain, you can mention the same here. Else you can keep everything as a default. Then click on advanced setting. Well, we don't have any user list created, so we'll allow all. Click OK. So now we have the authentication profile. So now let's click on administrator and let's try to create a user. which can get authenticated from the TACACS Plus server. So let me show you again. So in the TechTalkSecurity Plus server, I have created multiple groups, as you can see here, and multiple users, you can see here. So I'm going to create test one, and I'm going to call my authentication profile, which is my TechTalkSecurity Plus profile. And you can select the administrator type. In my case, I'm selecting it as super user, but you can click on role base and you can create your own role based profile, or you can use the default one. So I'm going with dynamic. I'm using the super user. Click OK. Now that we have the TechTalkSecurity Plus user created, so the next step is to click on setup and go to authentication settings for the device. And authentication profile, we can use the TechTalkSecurity Plus profile. Click OK. So now the firewall is configured to authenticate itself from the TechTalkSecurity Plus server user base. Click on commit. So that's all in the configuration part. Next step is to test the working of this particular authentication mechanism. So we'll try to log out and then try to use the test one user. So you can see here the test one is configured with clear text password. So the password is password. Let's try to authenticate ourselves by logging out and then trying with test one, which we have created on the firewall. As you can see, the firewall is creating the user session and it is allowing us to log into the firewall. And we can gather logs on the firewall as well. Let me try to re-log in and try to see if we get some logs here, which can confirm that. Okay, so I've set it up, TCP dump for the management IP. This is the firewall management IP. And I'll try to log in again to see if I see traffic here, which will confirm that the authentication is through the TechTalkSecurity Plus server. So let me try to re-log in using test one. Password is password. As you can see, I'm getting a lot of packets here. Okay, so this is the port 49 packets coming in. So I guess I have captured it earlier as well, where you will Yeah, this is the one. Okay, let me try to clear the session and try it again. Trying to log in again. It'll take some time to create the user session. Now I'm switching back to the server. As you can see, there are a lot of packets from our management interface for port 49. This confirms that the traffic is indeed coming to the server. And there's one more data that we can check, which is this. You can see here, connect from 192.168.0.96. And you can check the time just a minute ago. And from the PaloAlto Firewall, what you can do is you can run this command, which is test authentication profile, and then select the TACACS profile, username test1, password, enter the password here. You can see here, succeeded. You can see here, succeeded. Connect from the management interface, which confirms that everything is working fine on the PaloAlto Firewall. And our TACACS integration is also configured properly. And you can see here, I'm using test1 for the GUI. That's all in this video. See you in the next one, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Bye-bye.